So, now that you have drafted an explanation checklist, it's time to write our recommendation to Crystal Cove State Park. When scientists are trying to make an argument or explain something that happened, they often use a format called CER, or claim, evidence, reasoning. When you're creating your recommendation for Crystal Cove State Park and letting them know what you think is the best plant species to use, you'll want to follow the same format. You've got all this information together already, and now you just need to put it together into a recommendation to share with the park. A claim is exactly what it sounds like. It's what you think is happening, or in our case, which plant type you think would be best to use in restoration in Morrow Canyon. You came up with your claim already when you picked the plant at Crystal Cove that you thought would work best earlier in this session. Evidence means evidence from your data, so you can think of it as whatever small subset of your data supports your claim. When you talk about evidence, you'll want to reference the graph that you created in the last session. Remember when we looked at our graphs at the beginning of the session to figure out which adaptation worked best? That's where you can pull this information from. Your reasoning explains why you think your evidence supports your claim. So this is where you'll explain why you think you got the results that you did. Why do you think that particular adaptation helped our plants? This is where you'll reference all of those ideas from your explanation checklist. So now it is your turn. Go ahead and move on and start working on your explanation.